Welcome to the world of online trading, where identifying trustworthy companies is crucial. Let's explore the indicators that can help you make safe and informed choices. Regulation is essential. Legitimate companies are regulated by authorities like the FSCA in South Africa, FCA in the UK, SEBI in India, etc. Always verify the license and make inquiries to avoid falling for fraudsters who use false claims. Beware, scammers are increasingly using the license numbers of real regulated companies to appear legitimate. Before you invest, double-check the license number directly through official regulatory websites. This extra step can protect you from fraudulent schemes and secure your hard-earned money. Identity verification. Trustworthy companies will request necessary documents to verify your identity in line with regulations. Be wary of companies that do not require any verification. Payment methods. Reliable companies offer various payment options including debit, credit cards, bank transfers, and even mobile payments, and they typically have local bank accounts. Be cautious of those insisting on only using cryptocurrencies or e-wallets, as these can be hard to trace. Protect your information. Never share sensitive information like your ATM card details or passwords. Authentic companies prioritize your security and will never ask for such details through insecure platforms. Physical presence. Credible companies usually have physical offices in the countries where they are regulated. Be skeptical of firms that only operate online. Communication channels. Genuine companies provide multiple ways to contact them, such as emails, customer support phone lines, and live chat. Scammers often restrict communications to less formal methods like WhatsApp or social media. Official contact. Authentic companies will always reach out through official channels like company emails or official phone numbers. Avoid any communications from personal or unofficial accounts. Online reviews. Check online reviews, recognizing that legitimate companies will have a mix of positive and negative feedback. Extreme ratings, whether all good or all bad, can be a red flag. Transparency about risks. Honest companies will always inform you about the risks associated with trading. Be cautious of anyone guaranteeing profits, as trading inherently involves risks. Choosing the right company is crucial in your trading journey. Avoid quick profit schemes, stay informed and secure, and here's to a successful trading experience.